Hi, I am Dr. Naresh Zadhav, Consultant Medical Oncology at Narayana Super Speciality Hospital, Guwahati. Let's talk about lymphomas today. Now, lymphoma is a cancer of the hematolymphoid system. The word hematolymphoid consists of two parts: hemato, which refers to blood, and lymphoid, which refers to the lymphatic system, of which lymph nodes are an important part. Now, as we all know that blood consists of three cellular components: the red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Now, lymphocytes are a subtype of white blood cells. These lymphocytes are present in the blood as well as in the lymph nodes. Now, these lymph nodes are situated throughout our body, but they are present in abundance in certain places like the neck region, the axillary region, and the groin region. These lymphocytes can undergo malignant transformation. Malignant transformation of lymphocytes, when it happens in blood, it gives rise to leukemias, and this malignant transformation, when it happens in the lymph node, it gives rise to lymphomas. So how common is lymphoma in India? In India, lymphoma constitutes about 3% of all cancer cases that are registered. In a year, around 37,000 new cases of lymphoma are diagnosed in India. So what are the presenting features of lymphoma? As we previously discussed, when a lymphocyte undergoes malignant transformation in a lymph node, it gives rise to a lymphoma. These transformed lymphocytes multiply uncontrollably. This leads to accumulation of unwanted cancer cells in these lymph nodes, which leads to swelling of these lymph nodes. This is the most common way in which a lymphoma presents, in the form of a lymph nodal swelling, say either in the neck region or in the groins or in the axilla. This swelling can be present on both sides of the body, or it can be situated on one side of the body. A patient may have swellings at multiple sites or may have swelling at single site. If lymph nodes in the thoracic cavity are involved, the patient may present with non-specific symptoms like chest pain, cough, or breathing difficulty. Similarly, if lymph nodes of the abdominal cavity are involved, the patient again may present with non-specific symptoms like abdominal fullness, abdominal pain, or a vague mass or lump in the abdomen. Apart from the mass effect, lymphomas can also present with unexplained fever, drenching night sweats, excessive fatigability, and unexplained weight loss. So this is all about lymphomas, its incidence, and the presenting features. So if you are having any of these symptoms which have been unexplained and has been there for a long period of time, please do consult your doctor and get yourself evaluated.